I can't believe I'm actually talking about this. It sounds so ridiculous talking about. I was like, I swallowed it. I swallowed it. No, that is not what it is. That is not how it is supposed to be. So I'm getting angry again. I'm getting angry again. A quick question before we start. If this is not your first time watching a video of mine and you are still not subscribed, can you please tell me down below why you are not subscribed? I genuinely want to know. I just finished styling my hair like this. The video will surely be up before this one. And I remember the comments I got, especially from men, the last time I styled my hair like this. I thought I was done dealing with negative comments about my natural hair while in school, but I was not. I was so wrong. I remember one time I was in the university, I think it was year three or so, and we're having a cultural week. I styled my natural hair, something like this, and I was part of the team presenting our products. And the classmate asked me, "Is that the hair you're going to use to present this product?" I was like, I swallowed it. I swallowed it. Actually, by then I was not really sure about how I looked with my natural hair. So I just took it normally. I just swallowed it and I felt bad about my hair. I felt, but now, don't try it. Oh. Do not. I work in a very competitive environment now, and everything has to be sleek, everything has to be perfect, everything has to be straight. And I feel like I don't fit in that environment. And most of the negative comments I get come from men. I feel like their comments come from a place of ignorance. So I decided to stop getting angry and make this video to educate instead. I cannot promise you I'm not going to go crazy while talking about this, but I'm going to try to stay calm. Point number one, that I wear my natural hair out does not mean I'm broke. Of course, I'm broke most of the time. I'm even broke now as we speak, but it has nothing to do with the state of my hair. Nothing. I spend more on my hair than I would spend on any other thing. So, wearing my natural hair is more of a choice than an indicator of the state of my pockets. Point number two, the state of my natural hair has nothing to do with my boyfriend's pockets. I don't know how you are able to relate my boyfriend's financial status with my hair. How? Okay. Do you give your girlfriend money for hair? I bet not, but does that make you broke? We said we're not going to get angry. We said we're not going to get angry. Let's calm down. My natural hair is a choice. I chose to wear my hair this way. Point number three. No. No. Natural hair is not for kids. Natural hair is not for kids. Which one is, now that you are in the university or now that you're working, you should relax your hair to look more presentable. I'm getting angry again. I'm getting angry again. My first year in the University of Douala, a friend of mine, we had grown up together in Bamenda, saw me at the university with natural hair. I was like, don't you know that at the university you're supposed to relax your hair? How did he even say it? Let me say it in French. He said it in French. I was like, tu ne sais pas qu'on doit choler les cheveux à l'université. That choler is one, I don't know, you mix it for paints. You put it on the wall before you apply paints. You put it on the wall before you apply paints. Women used that a while ago, and some still do now to straighten their hair. The damages it costs, the amount of damage it costs. And he was asking me to do that to my hair. I was too quiet then. I should have answered. I should have said something. I regret not saying anything. I'm not going to miss any opportunity now to tell it straight to anybody's face. I'm not going to miss it. Natural hair is how my hair grows out of my head, and I choose to wear it like that. I have nothing against relaxed hair. Please. Do not make it seem like I have to relax my hair in order to look good. Look at this. Look at me. I am not the most beautiful girl, but I know I look good. Look at this. Natural hair looks like this too, and also like this. Deal with it. I don't know why I'm raising my voice. Can somebody please help me calm down right now? I don't know what is going on. I know we have been brainwashed into thinking that hair has to be straight for it to be beautiful. No, no, that is not what it is. That is not how it is supposed to be. Point number 5. I do not need added hair to look beautiful. I do not. Which one is why do you not do her hair like her? Okay, why does she not do her hair like me? It's a choice. I would never ask somebody to treat his hair in a certain way. So please stop asking women to treat their hair the way you want to. It is not done. Let's grow up. Let's change. Change. What you have to say about my hair is not that important. It's not as important as you think. Point number 6. You cannot be against women wearing wigs and weave and you are unable to appreciate the beauty of natural hair. You have to choose. Please, I beg you. You have to choose. It's either you accept that women wear wigs and weaves and all that, or you accept that women can be beautiful with their natural hair. I can't believe I'm actually talking about this. It sounds so ridiculous talking about all this. How did we get here? I It is sad to see how ignorant some of us can be, especially on a continent where most of us are supposed to have natural hair. If I keep talking, we may never leave this place. Another thing is, men can grow hair too. They should all do so, in my opinion. So please, let's stop shaming them. Share your own experience with us in the comment section. We'll be very happy to read you. Send this video to anyone you feel needs to hear this. Dear men receiving this video, chances are you said something hurtful to a natural. Think about it. Please think about it and repent. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.